The Sage Oil Vac Fluid Exchange System sets the standard for efficiency, safety, and cleanliness. What's the difference? It starts with the oil pump, or lack thereof. The Sage Oil Vac system utilizes air pressure and vacuum to move fluids in, out, and between tanks and equipment. This is made possible through the use of ASME-rated pressure tanks, which can hold full vacuum or air pressure. This equates to speed and efficiency, as you can vacuum fresh fluid into the tank in a matter of 5 to 7 minutes. You can also fill fresh fluid tanks in a conventional fashion through a topside port. The tanks are sealed at all times, keeping fresh fluids uncontaminated and preventing discharge to the environment. In addition, the air and vacuum used to vacuum or pressure the tanks feature a water trap to remove moisture from the air. Conversely, competitive systems are vulnerable to contamination through venting and exposed fill ports. So, how does it work? The process of filling fresh fluid tanks is similar to how an air compressor inflates a tire. Fluid is pressurized from the fresh oil tank through a hose and then a filter before emerging through a reel that ultimately dispenses the fresh fluid into your equipment at up to 5 gallons per minute. A similar process is used to withdraw used oil from your equipment and into the used oil tank. Releasing the vacuum pulls used fluid from your equipment into the used oil tank at 6 to 8 gallons per minute. In order to offload the used oil, simply pressurize the tank, connect the hose, and dispense the oil safely and cleanly. Sage Oil Vac products typically include a used filter receptacle containing pegs that used filters can be set on to let oil drain. This receptacle is connected to the used oil tank, allowing the used oil to be sucked into it for safe storage and disposal. Numerous efficiencies through the entire process, from draining used fluid from your equipment to refilling it with fresh fluid, equates to tremendous time savings. And utilizing air pressure, vacuum, and sealed tanks means less spillage and impact on the environment. It's why job sites are replacing pump-driven systems with the Sage Oil Vac Fluid Exchange System. Change with Sage.